Looking for easy and delicious vegetarian recipes that work perfectly for snacks, lunch or dinner? Today we're sharing 3 super tasty veg recipes: crispy veggie nuggets, comforting veg marinara pasta and creamy veggies in paprika sauce. Let's get cooking. So we'll first start with some crispy veggie nuggets. For this, in a large bowl, add mashed potatoes, mixed veggies, spices, soaked poha and corn flour. Mix everything well to form a soft dough. Now roll this mixture into a thick cylinder and cut it into small rectangular nugget-sized pieces. In another bowl, prepare a thick slurry using all-purpose flour and a little water. Now dip each nugget into the slurry, then coat it generously with seaweed. Now refrigerate these nuggets for 15 minutes. This helps them hold their shape. Now deep fry them until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Now serve hot with ketchup or your favorite chutney, crunchy outside, soft inside and absolutely addictive. Now next up is the classic veg marinara pasta, full of flavor. Now start by making the marinara sauce. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic and let it lightly brown. Now add chili flakes and mix well. Add tomato puree and let the sauce simmer slowly for about 40 minutes. Season with black pepper, some fresh basil leaves, add salt to taste and mix well. Your marinara sauce is ready, rich and aromatic. Meanwhile, boil pasta in salted water with a little oil until al dente. Drain and keep aside. Now in another pan, heat oil and saute diced mushrooms. Add chopped baby corn and then dice onions. Toast everything well. Add the prepared sauce followed by the cooked pasta. Give it a good mix and finish with grated Parmesan cheese. Your comforting veg marinara pasta is now ready to serve. Now for something creamy and flavor-packed, veggies in paprika sauce. For this, heat oil and butter in a kadhai. Add boiled carrots, red, yellow and green capsicum, paneer and green peas. Now season with salt and black pepper and saute until the veggies are nicely charred. Remove and keep aside. In another pan, heat oil and butter, add chopped garlic and lightly roast it. Add corn flour, then slowly pour in milk while stirring. Once the sauce thickens, lower the flame and add salt, pepper and a generous amount of paprika powder. Mix well. Now add chili flakes and a little sugar to balance the flavors. The next step is to add the sauteed veggies to the sauce and mix everything together until well coated. The creamy, smoky veggies in paprika sauce are ready to be served. And there you have it, 3 easy and delicious veg recipes that are perfect for everyday meals or special cravings. If you try any of these, let us know which one's your favorite. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to Times Foodie.